Good day, football lovers and the mighty Buccaneers, all the way from the office of the Mob Justice Football under the capable leadership of Chief in Mob Justice, Jose Luis Rivero. We just want to send our shout out, our congratulations to Relebogile, Wahamufukeng, Arai Thoma Refetsa, Umjita, 38. We just want to say congratulations to this forward player of Orlando Pirates Football Club and Bafana by scooping an award at the Gauteng Sports Award hosted by the Department of Sports, Arts, Culture and Recreation under the leadership of Matume Chilwane as the MEC of Gauteng. We just want to say congratulations, really, congratulations. You've done exceptional well. Let's just recap what he has done so far. He won Nedbank Young Promising Player last season. He also won the young player of the season as well. So he did exceptional well, this guy. He scooped the award, Nedbank, MTN, and he was also part of Orlando Pirates historic team that won MTN 83 times in a row. So we just want to say congratulations, really. That category was very tough. I'm sure even for the judges, it was very tough for them to be able to nominate into that one, because in football, there was Rele Mofokeng and Ronan Williams. In athletics, we had the likes of Taja Smith, Akani Simbini, and in boxing, we have your Duplessis as well there. Duplessis. Yeah, he was also there. So we just want to say congratulations to the Sharpeville born Rele Mofokeng. We appreciate you. Congratulations for that massive. Your mother, when she delivered the speech yesterday, it was so heartwarming. Smile, 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 smile. So we appreciate you. We just want to say congratulations. Baga, baga, you, baga, 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 you, baga, 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 baga,